VDRM currently traded at 0276, coming off the 0227 area, right off that support. You guys are bouncing up. Actually, I think that the support level can go down just slightly more, right around that area, 022. 2 or around the 2.5, right around that general area. So that's where I put the support in. And I said that it needs to break the 0.362 to turn bullish. You guys are getting there. I mean, it was still a beautiful day right now. You guys gapped up a little bit on that. I mean, usually off of that red day, the gaps aren't one thing that I really pay attention to on that either. But you guys are coming off that, hitting a resistance level right now, 0.280, guys. I would keep an eye on this. I really would. I like the way that this thing's shaping up. I mean, look at. I would have personally not wanted to see this thing get to where it's at. I mean, coming off of. Look at this right here. I mean, we could draw a trend line up there if you want off the 30-day simple moving average. You could come down a little bit more. You're either way you put this one. Usually on that bottom of this candle, you guys come up, tapped it right here again, tapped it here. You guys get through there a little bit, and then it'll retrace back down. I personally wouldn't have wanted to see it break that 30-day simple moving average. I've talked about that one before in this one, which is right here on the 10th of March. I didn't want to see that. That 30-day was such an important part. And once you break it, you're going to have just a hard time trying to get back through it. So that's what we're going to need. We're going to need that momentum now to get you through that 30-day simple moving average. That's why I put on there, needs to break the 0.362 to turn bullish. You guys got up to that resistance level that we put on here. The second resistance level is 0.308. So you did break through the 10-day, but that 30-day, if you break through that 30-day, I truly believe that it's going to have that power to get through that 20-day, because that 30-day is going to be the hardest one to get through. Let's break through there. And then after that, your levels off of that are gonna be much higher, in my personal opinion. Yeah, your resistance level is gonna be up much higher off that, probably around 0.5. We can probably put one right there at the 0.5, running across for another resistance. But that's what we're gonna be watching for with this one. So if you're following this one, definitely keep an eye on breaking that 30-day simple moving average. It's starting to set up nicely though.
All right, so over here, the share structure is showing that there's 400 million shares authorized, and as of March 7th, as of January 25th, 2017, the float is 222 million to 337,825 shares in the flow. All right, so the press release from today is ViaDerma receives provisional patent numbers for its FDA-registered Vibalicin and cannabis technologies, and seeks to distribute its products with a management, marketing, and distribution company in Canada to approved international cannabis countries. So ViaDerma, a specialty pharmaceutical company devoted to bringing new products to market, recently announced today that the president, Dr. Christopher Otico, has received the provisional patent number for two patents pending: the cannabis provision patent, a patent for delivering medical marijuana cannabis to the body by applying the medication into the skin in an ointment-based topical solution. The second provisional patent for enhanced antibiotic and drug delivery of aqueous topical applications for humans and veterinary uses. The company plans to continue to expand its IP, intellectual property portfolio, in 2017. So the company has signed a letter of intent to work with a Canadian-based investment group with expertise in logistics that includes distributions for new and anticipated products. The investment group will target sales for the new patent pending products to countries that have accepted medical marijuana and recreational use of cannabis products and technologies for delivery of CBD and THC. This group will also target countries that allow the clinical studies for medical testing, such as the United Kingdom and other Asian countries. Company CEO Dr. Christopher Otico is attending the Diabetic Foot Global Conference at Baylor College in Medicine Baylor College of Medicine. All right, in Houston, Texas, and on Friday, the 24th of March, will present a poster abstract based on 7 years of research treating patients with Viblicin. In recent studies, Viblicin has been more than 96% effective in healing diabetic foot ulcers within 4 weeks. This effect is more pronounced in more severe wounds, and the effect is the same whether the wound is infected or not, said Dr. Otico. Our goal is to have Viblicin added to all diabetic foot ulcer treatment protocols. We're also continuing the clinical testing stages of anti-aging topical solution, a topical pain medication, a topical for male pattern baldness, and a topical designed to boost male libido. The market for our many products is very promising. We are enthusiastic about the results we have achieved to date in terms of the anecdotal feedback we have received from the medical community, said Dr. Otico. So that's the press release from today. If you're interested in discovering more and doing more due diligence on VDRM, just go right over to that ViaDerma board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that VDRM board.
All right, so there we go with the chart again, 0280. Watch, chart setting up, in my opinion, resistance at 0280, 0294, 0326, and 0371. Support at 0250 and 022. Needs a break, 0371 to turn bullish. You guys are starting to back off of that a little bit now, I see. That 10-day simple moving average would definitely be a first step up. VDRM, keep an eye on this one as always, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And get out there and share this video with all others on different social networks and forums and message boards. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live and let us know there.